Here I have POCO M3 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable installation from the unknown sources on this device. So firstly, let's open settings, then go to the privacy protection, then go to the special permissions, and then to the install unknown apps. Here you can see the whole list of apps through which you can install unknown apps. So let's pick for example Chrome, and then just tap allow from this source, and now you should wait for 10 seconds to enable this feature. Tap OK, and now you can install unknown apps through the Google Chrome as much as you like. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.